What's up YouTube? In today's video, just want to show you some Onlays I just purchased. If you want to check out this awesome product, I'll leave the link down in the description below for it. Also, if you want more information on it or different type of styles, they'll be down in the description below. But these are solid urethane Onlays. You can actually put this on some boring furniture or a mantle, like a fireplace, or even on your door. I'm going to be using this after I paint it. It actually comes already primed already. I'm going to paint it like a semi-gloss white and put it outside over some trim that I already installed already. Here's what it looks like. Show you up close. It's very lightweight, almost feels like a very dense, hard foam. So this is what the top part looks like here. The bottom, and then this is the back. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and paint it real quick, and then I'm gonna put it up and show you what it looks like. All right, so I started painting. This one is not painted yet. And then this one right here has been painted. You can see it's a lot shinier. This is a exterior high gloss white paint. All right, the two coats are done. Looks really nice, nice shiny white high gloss. And this is also a stain and mildew resistant type of paint with the paint and primer in one. All right, so I used some 3M mounting tape for exterior, and this is basically the pattern I put where it's going to touch the trim on the outside molding of my home. So this is the front of it. I just have to peel the double back side there and mount it up. So here's where I'm going to put it. I measured 47 inches wide, so it's going to be 23.5 inches for the center there. So this is going up right over there. I marked off a little pen mark right there to line up with that bottom piece right here. So it's going to look something like that. All right, so the first one's done right over there. Time to do this one. So the second side is 95 inches, so half of that is 47.5 inches for the center. So this one's already mounted already. This one is dry fitted with some tape, which I recommend just in case you make a mistake. All right, that's it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.